Hello, and welcome back. In the previous video, we learned how to use sum, average, and count formulas in Excel. In this video, we will learn two more very useful formulas, max and min. These formulas help us find the highest and lowest values in our data. Let's understand this using the same example. On the screen, you can see student names and their marks. Now imagine this question. Which student scored the highest marks? We can find this easily using the max formula. The max formula returns the largest number from a range. The marks are in column B, from cell B2 to B6. So we type equals max, open bracket, B2 colon B6, close bracket. Excel instantly shows the highest marks. No manual checking, no confusion. Now let's look at the min formula. The min formula returns the smallest number from a range. This helps us find the lowest marks. We type equals min, open bracket, B2 colon B6, close bracket. Excel shows the lowest marks immediately. Very simple. Now here is something important. If you change any mark in the sheet, both max and min update automatically. This means Excel always shows the correct result. You do not need to recalculate anything. So now you know 5 very important formulas in Excel: sum, average, count, max, and min. These formulas are used in almost every Excel file. In the next video, we will learn about cell references and understand the difference between relative and absolute references. Thank you for watching. Practice these formulas in Excel and keep learning step by step.